Dear students, in this video we are going to see Kingdom Fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. Do you know who is the father of mycology? That is Mycelium. And do you know who is the father of Indian mycology? E.J. Butler. Fungi show a great diversity in morphology and habitat. Fungi are cosmopolitan and occur in air, water, soil, and on animals and plants. Fungi prefer to grow in warm and humid places. We keep food in refrigerator. Do you know why? At low temperature, that is 4 degrees centigrade. It is to prevent food from going bad or spoil due to bacterial or fungal infections. Some fungi are unicellular, whereas remaining are multicellular, eukaryotic. They are eukaryotic. Fungi are filamentous. Their bodies consist of long, cylinder, thread-like structures called hyphae. The network of hyphae is known as mycelium. Some hyphae are continuous tubes filled with multinucleated cytoplasm. These are called cenocytic hyphae. Other hyphae have septa or cross walls in their hyphae. And the cell walls of fungi are composed of chitin and polysaccharides. The cell wall of both bacteria and fungi have NAG, N-acetyl-glucosamine. In fungi, food is stored in the form of glycogen and oil. Now, let us see the nutrition in fungi. Fungi constitute a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organisms. Fungi do not have chlorophyll, hence cannot manufacture their food. Fungi show 3 types of heterotrophic nutrition. One is saprophytic, parasitic, and symbiotic. Fungi which absorb soluble organic matter from dead substrates are called saprophytes or saprotrophic, or absorptive heterotrophic nutrition. Saprophytes are of 2 types. One is obligate saprophyte. They obtain food only from dead and decaying organic matter. Example, Rhizophus nigricans. Second one is facultative parasite. They are normally saprophytic, but in the absence of dead organic matter, they become parasitic. Example, Rhizophus stolonifer. Those that depend on living plants and animals are called parasites. Parasites are of 2 types. One is obligate parasite. They fail to survive in the absence of host. Example, Albugo candida. Second parasite one is facultative saprophyte. They are normally parasitic, but in the absence of host, they become saprophytic. Example, Helminthosporium oryzae. The parasitic fungi take their nutrition from the host with the help of Haustoria. Fungi hyphae are able to penetrate the host with the help of mechanical pressure and softening by enzymes. A widely but periodically occurring plant disease is called epiphytotic. A disease which is restricted to a particular region and occurs regularly is called endemic disease. A disease appear on large scale after a long interval is called sporadic disease. Excessive enlargement of diseased organ due to increase in number of cells is known as hyperplasia. Excessive enlargement of diseased organ due to increase in size of cells is known as hypertrophy. The measures taken before the appearance of disease is called prophylactic measure. Example, Bordeaux mixture and Burgundy mixture. These mixtures are fungicide. composition of Borax mixture. Copper sulfate plus lime plus water. This composition is called as Borax mixture. Borax mixture has been discovered by Millard. Composition of burgundy mixture is copper sulfate, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate plus water is called burgundy mixture. These two, borax and burgundy mixture, both are fungicides. Fungi can also live as symbionts in association with algae as lichens and with roots of higher plants as mycorrhiza.